I'm gonna show you how to create your own template in Unreal Engine 5. You can even customize the text and images in the engine preview. Begin by creating your project and customizing it to be the way you want. When you are ready to create a template with your project, make sure to attempt to package your project and making sure that it works before you move on to the next step. Save your project and close it. Go to your drive, Program Files, Epic Games, Unreal Engine, and Templates. This is where Unreal Engine's beginner template files are. Find one of the templates. I want to go for the third-person template. You'll notice that there are two folders, a BP folder and a C++ folder. Copy both of these and paste them on your desktop. Name them to be your template name. Make sure that you don't remove the TP, the BP, and the underscores. Drag them back into the folder. Now, the folder without the BP is the folder that contains the images and text we need to edit. Go into the config and right-click the template deps file. Press Edit. If that's not possible, just open the file with Notepad. Set the name and description to be whatever you'd like. This step is not necessary as your template will work anyway, but it's for the template's looks. Make sure to type the text within the parentheses. When you're done, save the file. Now, let's add the project to the template. Go into the BP version of your template. Find your project in your documents. From the template folder, delete the project and the content. Drag in the project and the content from your project folder. Go into config and then replace your project's config files with the template config files, but make sure to keep the template defs. The engine only displays the files in the C++ folder, so we don't need to change anything look-wise in here. Go back to the other folder and go into Media. Here we can change the preview images. Open up a Paint software and drag the first image inside. Find a picture that you would like to use and drag it in. Make sure that you set the image to be the exact same size as the original. Save it as a PNG. You can either save it directly into the folder and replace the image, or to the desktop. Do the same thing with the other image. Again, this step is optional. Replace the current images with the ones you just made. If we open up Unreal Engine, the project will now show up with the images and text we made. We can also create a project, and it will be the project we set it to be. Keep in mind, however, that there will only be a blueprint version of the project. If you want a C++ version, then repeat the steps but in the C++ folder. Everything will be the way it should, and we can even package the project. Hope you enjoyed.